Alright, I'm just going to do a wee video on this Maverick Mini I have. The wee bits broke on it here. Crashed it into the house. Was chasing the children and got too close to the house and hit this wing. So I'm just going to do a wee video on fixing it here. See if I can get away without ordering one of these wee wings or whatever you call them. So I'm thinking about using this epoxy. Sets in 5 minutes. I've never used this before. I got this as well, and this, but I think this here will work best. But I'll give it a go here anyway. If it doesn't work, I'll just order a new one of these. I only need to use a wee bit. I'll seal that up there. It'll probably go off the next time I go to use it. But so of this wee glue gun, I'm going to have to put this on, hold it in place, and then temporarily put this around it just to hold it. And then I can just peel the access off. That's what the plan is. Don't know if it's going to work. It goes off in 5 minutes, so I'm just trying to let it sit a wee minute too. Alright, so I just had to let that sit. The hot glue has went off, but this here seems still a wee bit tacky. So hopefully that hot glue will hold it. and then I can just peel that off whenever the epoxy sets. But if it doesn't work, I can just order a new one of them wee wings, as I say. So I'll get back to you once this glue goes off and see how it's getting on, see if it's worked. Alright, so I've let this sit overnight, this drone. I'll just put it in this wee pouch here. It seems to be working alright there. I think I'm just going to leave that hot glue on it. So the epoxy seems to have went off pretty good there. It seems right and strong. And then I just have to change a couple of these propellers. And one's there look alright. This one needs changed. I just bought a wee packet of these propellers here. Alright, just want to try this drone here now after fixed that with epoxy, that Gorilla Glue epoxy, and then put new propellers on it here. So I'll just fly it here, see if it works alright. It's a wee bit blowy today. So that's it. I still need to practice getting used to it. So you can see there, it still folds up okay. It doesn't go right the whole way in because of that hot glue, but I'm just going to leave that on. It's not doing any harm. You can still put it in the wee pouch. So I'll keep you updated, see how long it lasts. If it comes to it, I can just buy a new wee arm or wing, whatever you call it. That'll do me for now anyway.